Right then, fiberglass boot lid. Looks a bit different to the last time you saw it. Due to time and availability constraints, I had to get it painted before I could properly measure it up and cut any of the holes or anything like that. So I need to be really careful with it. But big thanks to Kirkton Motor Body Repairs. They painted it for us, so it looks really nice. So yeah, I've taken the old one off. Had to drill out the hinges on the old one. It took quite a bit of drilling, but they eventually came off. Also had to take some of the clips out. For the likes of the little plinth that goes along here. So I've got all that sorted and ready to go. I just need to start cutting and drilling holes into this now and getting bits onto it. And this is why you buy your fiberglass panels from CCF. The fitment is absolutely perfect. Managed to get a nice consistent gap all the way around, which is brilliant. And yeah, you get them painted in, a decent colour, and it doesn't look any different to the original panel. Right, time to fit a set of these boot catchy springy things. Because obviously this is fiberglass, so I don't want the original latch on it. So yeah, I got these off. They're just cheap boot catch things off of eBay. You see everybody put them on the boot. So I just thought it'd be the ideal thing, since the boot lid didn't actually weigh anything anymore. Should be absolutely fine. So here's an idiot looking at the back end of the car, trying to make sure he gets everything lined up. There was zero measuring involved in all this. Absolutely zero. All done by eye because I'm lazy. But I think I got it relatively even. Marking up my holes and then obviously using the correct tools for the job and using a drill bit for a centre punch. Yes, that's obviously what you're meant to do. And then in this case I think it was a 3.5mm drill bit. Straight through the panel. And then just in case of using the rivets supplied in the kit to rivet them on, I'm just I've drilled the holes now, there's no going back, but I'm still double checking that it looks okay, because, you know, why not? But there's no going back, it's going there anyway. Holes are drilled now. And yeah, it looks relatively even. Yeah, now lining up the actual spring catch itself, using the same method of the drill bit to mark my holes. Drilling it fiberglass this time, so don't need to centre punch them. The marking and paint is enough. Hate drilling it, especially painting stuff, but be done. At least the fiberglass is nice and easy. Take your time and goes through. I was a bit scared about how the rivets would react in the fiberglass, but they actually seems to be pretty decent. Like I say, the quality from CCF is so good. The quality of the fiberglass, it just it holds the rivets quite well. Right, I had some slight technology issues. The battery died in the camera. Who do you need to charge them? So I fitted a plastic window, polycarbonate I think it is. So I fitted that. It's not sealed in properly yet because I need to take the clips off the top and the bottom here of the original boot, which means taking the glass out. I'll be doing that off camera. So yeah, polycarbonate window. What I did is in the corners I just put in a riv nut so I could bolt it on, because there was no way I was going to get it to fix, because obviously it bends round in a curve. There was no way I was going to get it lined up and bent round and held in place. Certainly not by myself. So I thought do that, and then it also gives it an extra layer of protection as well. I didn't film an outro, and I need to get this video out. So yeah, fiberglass bootless fitted, rear polycarb window fitted. I'm waiting to do the fronts next. You'll probably see that in the next episode. So front polycarb windows will be fitted, and then
It's almost ready. It's just a few little bits and pieces to do, a couple of stickers to put on. But we're only 10, 11 days now until the first race, so it's getting close. Still bits and pieces to do, but we'll get there. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and whatever else people ask you to do on YouTube. So yeah, see you in the next video.